If you need to use the iron is located underneath the sink on the right hand cupboard. It's located on the shelf. Just take this out. You'll need to fill up the iron with water. So to do this, just open up the top, and then there is a jug within the cupboard to fill with water, and then you just top it up. You'll see on the iron there is a maximum level just up here, so don't fill beyond this. Shut this cover to seal the water in, and then you're about to plug it in. The settings vary from 1 dot to max, and there is a line here which you can set it to. Those dots correspond to the following instructions, where 1 is low and max is the highest. If you find that there may be an issue with limescale, you can self-clean the iron by pushing the button here after filling up the reservoir to the max, and you hold this down whilst over the sink to purge anything inside the iron, and the instructions to do that are here. When you've finished using it, please let it cool down and then put it back in the same place on the shelf so that we know where it is, and then shut the cupboard. The ironing board is located at the left hand side of the fridge, and just please make sure it is clean and put back when you're finished. There's also a clothes dryer underneath here in case you need that. Thank you.